Jessica with Cardsetter. One of the core reasons that Cardsetter exists is because we wanted to give website owners more freedom over their content. We wanted to make it fast and easy for non-technical admins to be able to group and arrange content of any format, any publish date, any tag or category, anywhere on their site. So to show you how easy it is to do this on Cardsetter, I'm going to show you how we're putting that feature to use on our own website. So over the past several weeks, I've been working on content all around website strategy. And I want to put it all on one page so that I have one link that I can provide with our best content around website strategy. And so that looks like this. So all of our best content grouped together on this one page that I can easily share with our audience. So let me show you how I built this page. To do this, I'll come over here and click on Create and then Page. And that'll give me a blank canvas to start with. So first thing I'm going to do is add a title to the page. And I'll come back to my description and featured image and stuff like that later. But once I'm ready, I can start building out my page. So I'm going to click in here and start with the title for the page. And I've already written my introduction, so I'm going to go ahead and just paste it in. All right, so now that I have my intro in place, I'm ready to start placing content. So to do that, I'll click right here on my page on this little plus sign, and then I'm going to select a grid as my layout option. Once my grid is in place, I can start placing the content I want within the grid. And I'm going to do that by using cards. So I click in my grid and select a card. And once I have a card in place, I can link it to any of the content on my website. Click this little link button, and now I can use our handy search tool to find what I'm looking for. And I probably want that over just a bit, so I can drag and drop it into place. And I'll just repeat the process to place all of the content that I want on this page. All right, so now I have my content in place, and I want to play with the layout a little bit. Like the example I showed you, I had the nice big cards kind of going down the center of the page. And so to do that, I'm just going to play with my cards and size them till I have them where I want them. And I'll just repeat that for each card in my grid. Now on the example that I showed you, I had a little bit of space in here. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. I can resize how much space I have in between my cards as well. And there we go. Now my page is ready to go. I can save it as a draft, or if I'm happy with it, I can save and publish. I still have a little bit of work to do on my description and the image, so I'm going to save it as a draft. And there's our finished product. So you can see in just a few minutes, I was able to take content from my full library of content on my website and make a brand new resource, a brand new page on my website that's rich with good content that I can now share with my audience. Thanks for tuning in, and to learn more about Cardsetter, you can visit our website, cardsetter.com.